Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce the human pancreas, including its functions, position, and relation to diabetes. The pancreas is an organ in the back of your abdomen. This is a picture of the human abdomen. The pancreas is the yellow organ in the middle. Below the pancreas is the large intestine, and inside the large intestine is the small intestine. These are both part of the digestive system, which also includes the stomach right here. Now behind the stomach is the spleen, and to the left of the stomach, the green organ, is the gallbladder. The red organ at the top right here is called the liver. The gallbladder, liver, and spleen surround the pancreas. In this picture, the pancreas is the yellow organ. It consists of three parts: the head to the left, the body in the middle, and the tail to the right. The purple organ next to the pancreas is called the spleen. The pink organ to the left of pancreas is the jejunum, which is part of the large intestine. Now the green organ above the pancreas is the gallbladder, and the red organ above the gallbladder is the liver. Here's the right lobe, here's the left lobe. The pancreas is part of your digestive system. The pancreas is also a gland. Glands are organs that produce and release substances in the body. The pancreas is about 6 inches long, the length of a human hand. The pancreas performs two main functions. The first main function is called the exocrine function. Produces substances called enzymes that help with digestion. The second main function is the endocrine function. Sends out hormones that control the amount of sugar in your bloodstream. The pancreas releases the three main enzymes: lipase, amylase, and protease. The first main enzyme is called lipase. It works with bile to break down fats. The second main enzyme is called amylase. It breaks down carbohydrates for energy. The third main enzyme is called protease. It breaks down proteins. When the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, type 1 diabetes occurs. So the purple triangle is the insulin, and the green are the insulin receptors. As we can see, only one of the two insulin receptors has insulin. Now the blue hexagons are glucose. So when the glucose goes into the fat or muscle cells, the insulin is not sufficient to break down the glucose. So there is diminished glucose intake. But when the body does make enough insulin but does not use it correctly, type 2 diabetes occurs. In type 2 diabetes, we can see that both of the green insulin receptors has purple triangles above it, signaling it has received insulin. But there is no signal from the insulin receptors to GLUT4, which is the yellow right here. Thus, the insulin is not functioning to do its job. So when the glucose goes through the red thing called the glucose transporter, they are not interacting with the insulin. So the person would have high blood sugar. When the body produces too much glucagon, which is blood sugar, hyperglycemia occurs. Now this is normal blood sugar, which is called glucose. The red are the blood cells, and the white is the glucose. On the right here, we see an increase in the number of white hexagons, which indicates a high blood glucose. When the body produces too much insulin, it creates a situation of low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. Now the picture here shows both hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. In the left is low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. The white is the blood sugar and the red is the red blood cells. We can only see one white dot versus 5 white dots in a normal blood sugar. But we see an excess number of white dots in the picture on the right, signifying high blood sugar or hyperglycemia. The keywords for this lesson are pancreas, organ, spleen, hormones, diabetes, insulin, hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia. Thank you for watching. 谢谢观看。